Since 1959, Fuji's innovative spirit has shaped the world of automation and technology. For the past 60+ years, industry has evolved, and at the same time, the world in general has faced many challenges. These challenges have created the need to draw on our own spirit to innovate and create ways to overcome them. More recently, even greater challenges have presented themselves, disrupting and in some cases even pausing industry's forward progress. The global pandemic, which has affected each and every corner of society to some extent, has also strained logistics, supply chains, and labor markets. This, coupled with geopolitical issues and serious global market concerns, have created hardships that have never been seen before. Throughout all of this, and second only to the health and safety of ourselves, our community and our companies, one initiative continues to outshine all others: the need for automation. Never has this need been realized at the magnitude that it has in recent times. Fuji's continued developments, such as the NXTR, yield the results needed to make this future of smart factories a reality for all of our customers, allowing them to compete in today's global market. Fuji's 3.0 concept of eliminating machine stops, operators, and defects continue to define the results of creating the highest quality product through data-driven automation, eliminating the need for the manual processes of today. We invite you to join us in getting back to the spirit that has been the driving force of building Fuji for the past 60 years. Welcome to the return of Apex, and to getting back to meeting the needs and challenges of our future.
Hello everybody, and welcome to IPC Apex 2022. It's so great to be here and see the faces of our industry once again. Today I will be walking you through all of the continuing innovations from Fuji. It's been a challenging couple of years in many ways, but I'm happy to show you that regardless of these challenges, Fuji has continued the momentum of our developments to bring our customers into the future. As you just saw, while founded back in 1959, Fuji continues to be a truly global player in the market of electronic assembly systems. Fuji's solutions cover all areas of modern production, from SMT and through-hole placement machines for all different mixes and volumes, to stencil printers, material setup and storage solutions, to the critical smart factory control and software systems that support them. Let me start today by showing you our continued innovation of the NXTR series by introducing the future generation, the NXTRA. Let me also remind you that this is the industry's first placement platform that automates the feeder exchange process, eliminating the need for human intervention. This truly state-of-the-art solution has obvious benefits regardless of what's going on in the world around us. The NXTR is capable of producing high productivity and automation and adopts the familiar modular concept of our flagship NXT platform. It also embraces the Fuji 3.0's concept: zero placement defects, zero machine stops, and zero machine operators. The NXTR paves the path to producing a high-quality product as second nature, and takes a major step towards the smart factory of the future by fully automating manual tasks. Using real-time sensing technology to achieve high quality, the NXTR also uses Fuji's intelligent part sensor to check all parts in real time, from pickup to placement and even post-placement inspection of the nozzle itself. A placement height adjustment function is also added to detect any PCB warpage and calculate the optimum release point of the component, assuring that parts are placed using the perfect placement pressure. The future of the NXTR is the NXTRA, which you see here today. The NXTRA uses the Fuji Smart Loader to eliminate the need for an operator, allowing them to be used for more value-added tasks in the factory. Once an AGV system delivers the feeder magazines to the line, the Smart Loader takes over to complete the manual tasks needed. Designed to complement the NXTR and full automation is the NXTR PM stencil printer, which further reduces the need for operators. Can you imagine the ability to replace cleaning paper and supply the solder paste without stopping production? Well, it's here. Previously, these have been the biggest causes of downtime on a printer, but not anymore. Coupling all its key features with Fuji's soon-to-be-developed automated mask exchange and backup block system will further automate this system to be the true printer of the future and the pinnacle of the hands-free stencil process. Nexum is the Fuji Smart Factory solution for driving quality through data. Nexum provides the capability of scheduling and planning production, checking progress and controlling quality, and the ability for remote control of your smart line. Using easy-to-use drop and drag functions, Nexum allows a simple focus on new product introductions. In addition, software options such as kitting software, feeder head and nozzle maintenance, and real-time monitoring tools are included. Fuji's S-Tower 2, behind me here, is an automatic part warehouse with excellent flexibility. It provides you the ability to check parts in and out with exact accuracy according to your production plan, simplifying your total parts management system. The S-Tower, coupled with Fuji's Smart Setup Station, eases the burden and shortens the setup time for jobs, simplifying and greatly reducing changeover times. This linking with Nexum allows functions such as the verification of parts, step-by-step setup guidance, and auto-rewinding of reels for faster changes from one job to the next. The GPX series stencil printers are Fuji's solution to any standalone or inline paste printing process, taking into consideration the delicate balance between cost-effectiveness and quality. Take a closer look when you have a chance, it's right over there. Fuji's NXT3 continues to be the flagship SMT system. With over 100,000 modules in the field, customers of all shapes and sizes, from EMS to OEMs, prefer the modular and scalable concept. The NXT3 continues to be not only the automotive industry's system of choice, but also that of any EMS that needs scalability, regardless of their throughput requirements. The NXT3 incorporates all of Fuji's standard quick change head designs, offering the perfect line configuration for your factory's needs and minimizing any downtime. The NXT3 allows for product model changes on the fly even during the next module's current production cycle, allowing changeovers in less than 15 minutes. IPS and LCR systems remain optional on the NXT3 platform, as well as creating the highest quality results and keeping the recognition as the modular platform of choice for large segments of the industry. Let's take a look at the AIM-X3, Fuji's flexible and highly accurate placement platform. With a conveyor that can handle panels up to 1,068 by 710 millimeters and the space to load up to 130 different types of parts using both sides of the machine, Fuji's AIM-X3 platform is an exceptional machine for producing small to large panels with many different types of components. Its Dynahead can place a wide variety of parts with a single head and can apply a maximum pressure of 98 newtons. Optionally, it can also offer adhesive dispensing. Of course, Fuji's wide variety of placement heads can also be used on the AIM-X3, providing the highest cycle times if needed, as well as odd-form component placement. Single-lane or dual-lane conveyor systems and single or dual gantry robots are available. The AIM-X3 extended conveyor option can also allow placement on PCBs up to 1.5 meters in length, making the AIM-X3 the perfect machine for those companies looking for a single machine solution. Moving to the through-hole series of Fuji platforms, our innovation continues with the development of the Smart Wing Board Assembler, expanding our robot technologies even further. The SWBA is equipped with a robot that is very easy to operate, simple to program, and capable of very high accuracy insertion of parts. As in all of the platforms, this robot follows Fuji's operational theme of user-friendliness. Its ability to handle many different types of component tasks with minimum configuration is a perfect complement to your back-end automation. Continuing onto Fuji's contribution to the through-hole process, the SFAB-D is designed to further automate manual and intensive assembly work, especially when the job requires large connectors, transformers, and specialty components. This platform has the capability to feed taped, stick, and tray packaged components, and also has an optional bulk picking unit that allows loose or bulk parts to be handled with ease. The SFAB-D faces the manual throughput challenge head-on through automation, but remains flexible and with the highest quality. Of course, Fuji's through-hole systems also integrate with Fuji's factory control systems, allowing the line management to include both the front and back end. The SFAB Alpha, one of the latest additions to the Fuji family, combines the functionality of 3 machines in one, supporting not only axial and radial components, but also jumper wires. By handling and supporting these multiple part types, the SFAB Alpha reduces labor and ensures faster changeover times in only 25% of the workspace that traditionally would require 3 different systems. The capability of automating through-hole technology continues to expand your smart factory level of automation. Continuing with the smart factory theme of reducing headcounts while redeploying skilled technicians to other parts of the factory where they are more critically needed, Fuji's automation tools place simple maintenance tasks into a less skilled environment. The auto feeder maintenance unit, auto head cleaner, auto splicing unit, and smart nozzle cleaner are all processes that are now automated, allowing the potential for quality issues to be almost non-existent. As you can see, every aspect of the Fuji product line has automation and quality in mind. From low volume, high mix to high volume placement and printing to through-hole and automatic maintenance, there is no doubt that Fuji's solutions to Smart Factory will take your SMT processes to the next level. We ask you to stick around and see the systems for yourself and talk with any of our very knowledgeable representatives and the product experts that can answer all of your questions. Thanks for attending the Apex Fuji presentation and enjoy the show.